Welcome to Morphic Labs, and today we are going to be discussing bid-ask bounds segregation. If you're interested in increasing your market intelligence, I have a free market microstructure and trading systems course that will walk you through the foundations of market structure, the mechanics of trading, market data analytics. Plus, I have a free advanced market aggregation course that will walk you through advanced price-based aggregation, volatility-driven aggregation, information theory aggregation, order flow microstructure aggregation, event-driven hybrid methods, aggregation implementation and selection criteria. And if you're interested in more content like this, hit the subscribe button. We'd greatly appreciate it. And let's get into it. The bid-ask bounds aggregation. Bid-ask bounds aggregation accounts for the microstructure noise caused by trades alternating between bid and ask prices. These bars filter out price oscillations within the bid-ask spread, closing only when the price moves meaningfully beyond spread-induced noise. Effective spread S sub t equals 2 times the absolute value of P sub t difference mid sub t, where mid sub t equals bid sub t plus ask sub t over 2. We're going to skip this. We already have the L2 data. Bounds filtered price movement delta P sub filtered equals delta P sub t if the absolute value of delta P sub t is greater than K times S sub t is 0, otherwise if the conditions are not met. Where K is a scaling factor, typically between 1.5 and 3, the bound condition is the sum of the absolute value of delta P subfiltered is greater than or equal than delta subtarget. Now, when do you use this type of aggregation? Microstructure noise filtering, through price discovery analysis, spread impact measurement, high frequency signal cleaning, transaction cost analysis. What are the advantages? Filters microstructure noise, reveals true price movements, can use Rolls measure without L2 data, improves volatility estimation, reduces spurious signals. The disadvantages: Rolls measure fails with positive autocorrelation, spread estimation introduces lag, may filter genuine small moves, parameter sensitivity, complex in fragmented markets. And let's get into the code. I'm going to be using my Ethereum L2 data and my Ethereum price data. Now I'm going to be running this over the first 500 entries with a delta target of 0.01. And I've already ran this, and as you can see, we have 4-bar close conditions. And as the indexes increase, as you can see, the effective spread essentially increases, right? And you can see the delta P subfiltered essentially has 4 bars, right? Now I'm going to push this to 1,000 entries. And even at 1,000 entries, we still have 4 bars over 1,000 ticks. Now let me see if obviously changing it is not going to be adjusting the bar distribution in any meaningful way. Because essentially when you look at one of the disadvantages, parameter sensitivity, right? But let's look at what we ran. And as you can see, as Ethereum's price drops, the effective spread essentially has been kicking up, right? And you look at the delta P subfiltered, still has only 4 bars that were closed, which represent the above 4-bar close conditions, right? With a K of 2, of course. Now, what happens when we start adjusting K? Well, let's find out, all right? Let's say K equals 1.5, right? Let me just save this and include it into my Ripple. And we still have 4 bars over 1,000 ticks. Obviously, I'm not gonna run through all the possible scaling factors, but yeah, this is the geometry of bid-ask bounds aggregation. And that's about it for today. If you're interested in increasing your market intelligence, I have a free market microstructure and trading systems course that'll walk you through the foundations of market structure, the mechanics of trading, market data, and analytics. Plus, I have a free advanced market aggregation course that'll walk you through advanced price based aggregation, volatility driven aggregation, information theoretic aggregation, order flow and microstructure aggregation, event driven and hybrid methods aggregation, implementation, and selection criteria. If you're interested, the links in the description. You just gotta sign up to be a free member. And if you find content like this intriguing and interesting to you, please hit the subscribe button. I would greatly appreciate it. And I am out. Bye.